In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add payment link on Pandadoc. If you are using Pandadoc to create proposals or documents that you want people to pay from, adding a payment link is a key step. It helps you collect payments directly from the document experience, so there is less back and forth. In this tutorial, you will follow a simple set of actions inside your Pandadoc account, and by the end, your payment settings will be saved and ready to use. First, open your Pandadoc document. Take a moment to make sure you are working in the correct document, because the payment settings you choose will apply to the document you are currently editing. Look for the document you want to send out, and open it so you can access the settings area. If you have multiple drafts, confirm you selected the right one before you continue. This saves time and avoids confusion later. Next, click the three dots icon in the top right. On many screens, this symbol is used to open a menu with additional options. Go ahead and click it now, and watch for a drop-down menu to appear. This menu is where Pandadoc groups document-wide tools, including the settings related to payments. If you do not see the menu right away, give it a second, because sometimes the interface needs a moment to load. After the menu opens, click Document Properties. This option is specifically meant for editing settings that affect the document as a whole. When you click Document Properties, you should see a panel or page with different categories of settings. Take a quick look to confirm you are in the correct section, because the Payments option will be found under the Payments area. This is an important step because it ensures you are configuring payment behavior in the right place. Now, under Payments, click Manage Payments. This is where you control the available payment methods and the configuration that will be used when someone views or pays from your document. Make sure you are focusing on the Payments section, then select Manage Payments. If you see an existing configuration, you can review it here. If you are adding payment links for the first time, this is the area where you will select what payment method you want to use. Once you are in the Manage Payments area, select your payment method. Pandadoc will typically give you a few options depending on what is available in your account. Choose the payment method that matches how you want to accept payments. As you select it, watch for any on-screen updates that confirm your choice, such as the payment method being highlighted or listed as the current selection. This step matters because the payment link in the document will be tied to the payment method you choose. Finally, save the payment settings. Look for a Save button or a confirmation option in the Manage Payments area. Click it to apply your changes. After you save, take a brief moment to ensure the settings have updated correctly, such as the selected payment method showing as active. Saving is what makes the configuration stick, so your document will use the correct payment link when it is sent to recipients. That is the entire process. You opened your Pandadoc document, accessed Document Properties, went to the Payments section, managed your payments, selected your payment method, and saved your settings. That covers everything you need to know.